Hello, welcome back to Project Blackwood. We're here at Ohio Technical College with Bob and also with Eric Garba. He's our technical writer from Babcock's, and he's going to be helping us out today on our transmission change. We also have Dave from Transtar. Dave, welcome.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to pull out the old broken transmission, put in the nice new remanufactured 4R100, and we're going to get this car back on the road so we make it safe.
Awesome. We're really looking forward to it. Let's get to work.
So basically what I did is I just marked the drive shaft and everything, so when it goes back, it all goes back the same way you took it out, and that will eliminate any kind of vibration you might have if you have the drive shaft 180 out. We have removed part of the exhaust because it's getting a new exhaust in there. And we have now removed the cross member, which is going to allow us to drop this down a little bit more and gain more access to the cooler lines, the linkage, the MLPS, and then we'll take the front off, get the converter loose. We will then at that point start peeling the bell housing bolts, and this thing will be out of here in a little bit. All we really got left is that connector, these two, this, and the transmission itself is pretty much done. Right. Then now we're going to do this, get the bell bolts out. Yep. So we're kind of almost there. Watch it coming down a little bit. Okay, you see anything hooked on it?
Yeah, always looks across the top.
See anything hooked? We look free.
That's one wire towards the front up there or something.
Okay.
It's hooked up top.
Is it clipped onto it?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's getting it out right now.
You can slide that under there and
Yeah, pop it out.
pop it out.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, you're a guy. Look at that.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Watch the wiring. Let's get some shit over there. There you go. Slow and steady. Well, that was easy. Now you guys can pull the engine up.
Move up.
Was that a dirty look? No, you guys, when you got it down.
That's where that van is.
This one's like it's a different style.
This is the sensor, right? This sensor and the sensor. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna pull these to swap into that one. We're gonna take this mount, put on there. We're gonna take the sensors, put on there. We have to pull this off, which is the bypass tube. We got to make sure this is nice and clean. There's a check ball in here. Actually, I didn't even think about it. Probably should just put a new one in it. You know, we sell them. I believe we can be able to pop that, but if we want to make sure that's clean, and then we're going to follow the lines. We're going to disconnect the lines from the cooler so we can clean them before we go with the new one. So we can wheel this out.
Guys, wheel that out, and then right about your shot. You guys go ahead and get something.
You know, it's not that you mess up, you're gonna. It's what you do to fix it and not do it again. That's what this whole stuff's about. And every car is a learning experience. You can have done it 10 times. The 11th time, the same thing is going to bite you. You're going to learn something new. You're going to learn something new every day. Every day. So I really appreciate you guys being here. And we'll be back in the morning. And what we're going to do, like I say, you guys got a couple things to start on before I get here. And then we'll get it going.